Bless up love again to everybody out there, yeah? And me I give the Prime Minister of my country, the Prime Minister, the heads of state of Jamaica, 48 hours, yeah? To comment to the people, to make the people them know what I go on and the speech about Cuba. Now, yeah? USA, yeah? The heads of state of USA, Donald Trump, you guys are nobody to come dictate, to come tell we how to deal with the Cubans, yeah? And to tell we who to send we back. Because you as a big nation, a big world, first world country like you, America, you know what the biggest support you have support to the Caribbean? M16, Glocks, and Beretta, and Glock 49. Those are the biggest trade where you carry to the Caribbean. You, America, have so many blood on your shoulders to come talk about the Cubans are exploiting and do all type of madness. America, you should be the last country if you have anything to say. You are one of the biggest terrorists in the world. Yeah, America. And you can never dictate to Jamaica. And me can tell the heads of state of Jamaica, if the Cubans cannot stay here, so shall the US Embassy and so shall the USA shall not stay here either. You understand me? So it's simple mean if the Cubans them can't stay in Jamaica here, so shall the US Embassy shall just close down and go home back. Yeah? And our paramilitary group have all been ready and stand up and ready and be firm, ready to take on this journey. And will not stand because my great-grandmother, my foreparents, if you see how them eye, if you see how cataract, Cubans come and clean cataract off of them eye, let me tell you something, my Prime Minister of Jamaica. Be mindful, beware, yeah? And know what you are doing and the decision that you are making. If you don't understand the system, please go back and read your history. Look at the Ozimati High School. Look at the Savamar Hospital. Yeah, people will help me out. You understand me? So don't play around with the Cubans. Yeah, and we will stand. Forever stand with the Cubans. The Cubans have been sanctioned for 60 years. 60 years by the United States of America. And all know they have not lifted none of these sanctions from Fidel Castro days till now. And the Cubans, as a country that have more than 70, more than 150 sanctions on them, help Jamaica more than America. The most help America give Jamaica and the Caribbean is M16 gun, is Glock 45, is AK-47. Those are the things that America help Jamaica with. America, we don't need you. You understand me? We don't need for go America. We don't need an American visa. I don't need no car for drive for America. Look at it. Eh? America make food and all these top car. I will barely can buy them in Jamaica. You understand me? And we call them a partner. America don't have nobody. A full time now for Jamaica get for them share a sanction so we can know who we truly is. Because without a sanction, Jamaica will never know.